Do you want to get as much as up to 91% discount when you buy your hosting from HostingGrid? Then you are the right place, because in this video I will reveal a special discount link which you can find in the description of this video, along with 3 of the finest coupon codes through which you can get as much as up to 91% discount. So what you have to do to get started is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed over here, and this is a special exclusive 91% discount deal only for those who click on the link in the description. So this is special for my audience which I have gathered through HostingGrid. So there are few things why HostingGrid should be a great choice, or why you need to opt HostingGrid, or why I'm using it. First of all, the 30 days money back guarantee is a very good thing by HostingGrid. So anyone who want to buy their hosting, this is something, no questions asked. 30 days money back guarantee is a very good feature by HostingGrid. And if you look around in the reviews, 67,000 reviews on Trustpilot. Let's check out the reviews to see how what people are saying regarding HostingGrid. So if you look around in the reviews, you can see yourself 5-star. I'm pretty new to all this VPS and hosting, no idea, so reach out to support the help. HostingGrid is a very good hosting site to use. HostingGrid goes beyond just hosting. So even this review, I mean, if you just read in the detail, you can see happy with the experience so far. So almost everyone pays this. And the best thing is you have 30 days money back guarantee when you buy your hosting from HostingGrid. HostingGrid is also being featured on almost every famous website on the internet. And hosting also come with hosting a horizon, so you just have you just have to give the command. It's automatically going to create a website for you. And if you want to create a WordPress website, even I'm using a WordPress website of my own blog is on being hosted on WordPress. HostingGrid supports it, and HostingGrid has also a migrate to HostingGrid for anyone who want to using another hosting company and want to shift to HostingGrid. Make sure to click on the link in the description and then move to migrate to HostingGrid and follow the free website migration service. Where HostingGrid is going to shift all your website that to free of cost. So make sure to click on the link in the description. This is an exclusive offer only for my people. So grab this discount deal over here. Right now 5 million plus people are using HostingGrid as their primary hosting company, and even I am one of them as well. Right now 10 million plus people are using HostingGrid as their own hosting company. Even my own blog is being hosted on HostingGrid. Scroll below. These are some made with HostingGrid websites, and now you are over here. All of the plans, you can claim the discount on any plan. Make sure to click on a link in the description, and all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel anytime, and you can see you can get as much as up to 91% discount. But before you select any plan, my recommendation is to do a thorough research of all the plan features, functions before you opt for. But the highest possible discount is available on the unlimited plan. Simply select the choose plan after doing your thorough research. Now you can see the 79% right now over here, but I'm going to make sure to have it 91% discount. And again, this is only for my audience and those who have clicked on the link in the description. Now coming on the billing period, HostingGrid offer you 4 billing periods. And if you ask me, my recommendation is to offer the 48 months. You can save the maximum amount of money because these prices won't appear again. So take the maximum out of it by opting 48 months. You can see over here. And you can claim your free domain right now over here or later on through the HostingGrid control panel. The free domain is only valid for the first year only. So see it over here and make it 1 year, so do not have to pay anything additional for the free domain. So now you can see over here it's now at a 79% discount. This plus add daily backup, $100 value free, and even 3 extra month free domain free for those who have clicked on the link in the description. And now another discount is by writing this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here. And now 10%, so it's more than 90%, 1%, but let's say we are at having a 91% discount, which is an amazing. There is another discount code as well. You can use either of the discount codes. So that's your preference, which discount code you want to avail. You can see over here. After this, simply you can see your 30 days money back guarantee. Now simply select the continue. You may be asked to log in or create a new account at HostingGrid. So I'm going to log in at my Google account and get back to you. So just logged in, and right now here at the final page, and before you do your payment, see your order summaries, everything as per expectation. The discount code is applied. The discount is up to your expectations because you have to do a special discount. And now write your billing details. After this, simply select the continue and move on to the last part. So the last part is regarding payment methods. HostingGrid offer you variety of payment methods, and this is another feature which I like regarding HostingGrid. You can pay via credit card, Visa, Discover, Master, American. You can pay via PayPal. You can pay via Google Pay. You can pay via Apple Pay. You can pay via Alipay. You can pay via CoinGate for crypto payments. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose to pay, so making the procedure very easy, and they also have some country specific additionally as well. So let's say I'm going with a credit card, selecting a new payment method, writing my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. As soon as I submit payment, I'm going to get an email from Hosting with all of my account details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the special discount link and use either the discount code to avail this amazing discount hosting at Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years. Right now, my experience so far is very good, which is why I recommend you to grab this amazing discount deal, which is especially for my audience. Make sure to click on the link in the description and enjoy your discount from Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.